Yo, do you guys hear that? What the heck is that? Bruh. Bro, what is that? I'm about to go find my sister, dude. I'm kind of scared to leave. Did she even go out? Yo, look at that up there. What the heck, man? Bro, am I the only one who noticed this? I'm gonna look for Jupiter, dude. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go see if I can find her. It's so weird. Is she up the road? Maybe she stayed inside. No, I doubt that she did. She has to be out here. Yo, this is not cool, dude. What the heck even is that noise? I'm going back inside real quick. Jupiter, are you inside? Okay, she's not inside. Okay. That noise is still going, so I'm gonna go figure out where Jupiter is. Okay, that is not good. Dude. Okay, I'm gonna go find my sister because this is freaking me out. I'm gonna go find her. Wherever the heck she is. She's gotta be around here somewhere. This is kind of freaking me out. Okay. We live by a military base, okay? But that has never happened. And that is really terrifying. I've never heard the base like that. Like, it's coming from everywhere. I should probably stay inside, but I'm not staying inside. I'm gonna go find my sister. Oh God, it's getting closer. Whatever the heck it is. Oh, I see her. I think I saw her. Okay. I probably should have stayed at the house and just texted her. I don't know if I still want to do this. Okay, she's up ahead right there. Hey, dude! Come here! Come here! Yo, do you hear that noise?
It's been going on for a hot minute.
I know.
It was really loud. I swear to God, it was a fucking missile.
Dude, it's not. I don't know what it is. It's coming from that plane area, though. And that's never happened. It just keeps getting louder. And it's horrifying. No. Come to the house with me. Freaking horrifying.
Are you scared?
Yes, kind of.
Are you scared I'm gonna get like blown to shreds or something?
You.
The military's gonna come and kill me or something.
No. It's not. Well, we have to get home anyways. Well, I have to get home, but I want you to come with me because this is kind of scary. I don't know what it is.
I can still be on the phone with the house, so it's fine. There's nothing too bad to worry about. But
Dude, I was like, there's no way that I'm the only one hearing it because I thought it was on the TV.
it's not.
But it wasn't.
Dude, I'm not even gonna lie to you, when I first heard it, it was so much fucking louder than that.
I know.
Like, it was really, really loud when it first happened.
Dude.
And I don't know what the hell it is, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it's kind of creepy.
Dude, I don't know what it is.
And it's been going for like, literally like 10, 20 minutes now.
Oh, hi, kitty.
But no, there's like this loud ass noise that originally I thought maybe was like an airplane flying low down.
Hi.
Because it was really fucking loud.
I know, it is.
And
Like,
it's still
I didn't
going,
hear it.
Which is creepy.
But it's coming from the direction where that airplane area is. Oh, dude.
It is getting so much louder. What the hell?
I don't know. And whenever I came outside, there was an airplane that was up there.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of plane it was, though. I don't know what the heck's going on over there, dude.
Getting bombed or some shit in America right now.
Oh, God, dude. No, if that was happening, they'd have alarms or something.
How would they know yet? What's the name of them? Yeah.
Dude, there's a military base right over there.
Oh, yeah.
If there was something that was happening, they would know.
True.
But dude, I
I'm
don't.
really having this conversation with you.
It's freaking. This is horrifying, dude.
It is kind of creepy though, like this noise. Do you hear it?
Oh my god. I'm scared that somebody got in the house while I was gone.
It was so much louder when it first started, and it hasn't stopped either.
Like, dude. No, but like it sounds like a plane. That's what it sounds like.
Maybe it's a plane that they just haven't turned off yet or something.
Dude, I don't
Maybe
know.
it's a helicopter.
But that's never happened.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting more distant now. But it's scary. And like every few seconds it gets louder.
And then it stops.
Well, it's still doing it. We could sit out here. Because I kind of want to record the noise, but like, bro. Okay, it's going away, I think.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in here with her so she's gonna have a whole panic attack on me and die or something.
Give me a second. I'm going to turn this off for a second. Like, okay, so what happened basically was that I was sitting in here watching TV, okay? And I just got done, like...
I heard it, my dude, the first time it started.
Like, okay, I was sitting in here and I was watching TV.
Was it really loud over here?
It didn't get loud until I started, like... Okay, so I started watching this video. Well, not this one specifically, but another one.
Come with me.
And-
I'm gonna go change these pants on now.
And I started hearing a noise. I'm like, okay, maybe it's a plane in the background in the video. No, it was not. It was not a plane. Like, bro, what the heck is it? It's still going. Like,
It's freaking creepy.
dude, I've been videoing for like almost 9 minutes. Whatever the heck it is, that is horrifying, dude. That's just scary. Like, especially with everything that's going on, that's just creepy, dude. I don't like it.
I don't think anybody would like it, by the way.
I'm surprised nobody else is freaking out and going outside. Literally, when I was walking out there, I was the only person outside. Besides you.
They said the bombs is coming. I'm stuck in your face forever.
I wonder if, like, Nene will call and ask what the heck's going on. If she can hear it. Because, like, okay, I understand. We live right next to a military base. But, like, we've been living here for a few months and that's never happened.
You're okay, I'm trying to take this picture.
Like, maybe it's happened within the few years that people lived here, but I don't freaking know. It doesn't seem like a common occurrence that would happen at a military base.
I can hear it. Well, I can hear it very, very faintly now.
I can still hear it. Well, that's probably because I don't have earpieces in.
I have one in. I don't have the other one in right now.
Like,
Hear it faint.
it keeps getting louder and then getting quieter. Like, what the heck is going on? Dude, it definitely sounds like a plane. Because it sounds like there's something flying. Like, you know the sound that planes make whenever they're in the air? Like, they make that little sound? That's what it sounds
I
like.
know. I thought it was a plane to begin with.
But it's not. Like, dude, and there's nobody outside at all. Like, that's what makes it even more creepier. That there's just nobody outside at all. Literally, there's no one outside, no one else. I don't see anybody else out here. Like, when we were walking by, there was nobody. There was only that cat.
Well, there were people outside a little bit ago. It's an alien aircraft.
Maybe. Like, also, I kind of thought that it was a car driving by. Because there was a car that was playing loud music a bit ago. And then I figured out, I'm like, wait, no, that is not what that is. Like, it sounds like a horde of planes or something.
I don't know. I just hope America's not being bombed right now.
Dude. Oh my god, that's so scary.
Do you hear it?
Oh my god. Bruh. Maybe they're like practicing or something. It sounds like just one plane now. Oh my god. Dude, can you hear it?
Yes.
It's just one plane!
It sounded like multiple just a second ago.
Maybe they were doing like some practice technique or something. Dude. This is like so scary. Like, what the heck is it?
How is no one else
Look, there's other people coming outside.
finally?
I don't know what they're doing. They're just walking. They're not even concerned. Look, it's over there. There's one over there. I think that's the same one that I saw earlier. I don't know. It's over there.
Maybe they're doing like a flight test.
Look, it's flying around. I don't know. Maybe that's the one. Maybe there's just one up there. I don't know. I mean, okay. Just for backstory here, there is usually like at least once a day, there's like planes that fly around up here. But like, freaking creepy, dude. Like, why is there that noise? There's never been that noise. Like, what are they doing? Look, it's up there somewhere. You probably can't. Well, yeah, it's over there. Through the trees. Like, I don't hear the noise. Like, I don't hear that noise anymore. It's just that one plane up there now. Don't worry, guys. That's just a car. Like, bro, what was even going on? I think it stopped. Yeah, I don't hear it no more. Yeah, I think it's over. I don't hear it no more.
Finally.
But dude, that was literally so scary. Like, what were they doing?
Preparing for war.
Oh my god, what if they were?